Doctor, can I have papaya in pregnancy? Everyone, my mom-in-law have actually warned me not to have papaya. Also, can I have pineapple too? People have told me not to have pineapple, papaya, grapes, kiwis. So hello everyone, this is Dr. Anjali Kumar once again bringing you greetings from Maitri. Maitri is a space where we talk anything and everything about women's health. So in my OPD also, invariably every pregnant patient of mine asks me this question. This is such a deep-rooted belief in people's mind that people are actually scared to eat these wonderful fruits. So today, let's find out if there is any truth in this. So surprisingly, none of our standard medical guidelines say anything about poor papaya or poor pineapple. So RCOG, which is the Royal College of Gynecologists and Obstetricians, ACOG, which is the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, they actually say that it is safe to consume all fruits in pregnancy. So today, now let's study about this papaya in detail. So papaya basically is consumed in three forms. So one is the ripe papaya, then it is semi-ripe papaya, and it is the unripe papaya. So the ripe papaya, which we all consume as a fruit, is actually very good. Ripe papaya's pulp, which is the pulp of this orange colored fruit, is actually very rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C. They are good for you, they are good for your baby. It is rich in beta-carotene, which is rich for your baby's eyes, baby's bones. It is rich in choline. It is also rich in fiber and roughage. In fact, papaya is known as the digestive fruit. In pregnancy, a lot of women actually complain of constipation and digestive issues. So having ripe papaya is not only safe, but it is actually very beneficial in pregnancy. So now let's talk about the unripe papaya. So unripe papaya is the papaya which is green in color. It's slightly more firm as compared to the ripe papaya. So unripe papaya people usually take in form of salads. They make soups out of it. They make curries out of it. They stir fry it. So people use it in various forms. So what is the problem with the unripe papaya? So unripe papaya, the skin, the pulp and the seeds, they all contain latex and papain. So what is latex? So when you peel the skin of the raw papaya, the unripe papaya, you can actually see some sticky white droplets coming out there. So this is known as latex. Now this latex is rich in papain. So what is papain? Papain is an enzyme which has a capacity to break down protein bonds. In fact, commercial papain is also used in many industries to break the tougher protein bonds. So it has been seen in some studies, especially some animal studies, that papain can cause uterine contractions, bleeding and separation of amniotic sac from the uterus. Now, how much of latex or papain is required to cause these effects? We really do not know. But I think it is safe to avoid unripe or the raw papaya. Also, the effect of the latex or the papain varies from person to person. There are so many women who when they have unwanted pregnancy, they at their homes, they take a raw papaya thinking that it would cause an abortion, and they come to the doctor and nothing happens. So the effect of the raw papaya actually varies from one person to another person. So what is the conclusion? So you can definitely have ripe papaya. How much to have? anything in moderation is absolutely fine. Having a medium bowl of papaya per day is absolutely all right, unless and until you have some allergy to it. It is safe to avoid raw or the unripe papaya in any form, whether it is the skin or the pulp or the seeds. In case accidentally you have raw papaya, please do not worry. In all probability, nothing will happen. Just inform your doctor. Now, talking about pineapple. Now, pineapple is another supposedly a villain fruit in pregnancy. Pregnant women are often advised not to have pineapple, thinking that it would cause pain, bleeding, or maybe early labor. This is totally a myth. There is no scientific evidence to this. In fact, most of the scientific bodies do not support this or do not advise women to not take the pineapple. Now, pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has a capacity to break down the protein bonds, thinking that it would cause bleeding. But this would happen only if you are taking it in real excess amounts. Having a small or a medium bowl of pineapple would not harm you. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants. This is something which is so good for the immunity of you and your baby. One point of caution, excess consumption of pineapple can cause a lot of acidity or heartburn, so just be mindful of that. So you can definitely include pineapple to your mixed bowl of fruits. In fact, it is safe to consume all fruits in pregnancy. Take more of seasonal fruits because they are packed with more nutrients. Try and have the whole fruit because that gives you more roughage, more fiber. Do not juice your fruits, and a big no to the packaged juices. So I hope you are following our pregnancy series this season. Each week we come with such useful pregnancy tips. So today, like always, if you found this information useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Maitri. We are there on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter too. Please follow us there. For more information, you can also log on to maitriwoman.com. Also, watch out this space for soon coming our pregnancy courses on diet, exercises, lamas, yoga and a lot more. And I will see you soon.